Uncle? Can I video you?
Everyone. That's good.
Daddy! Hello. Look at that thing.
Hello, Andre.
We are going to a pool at the hotel, and I just look like this because so I can swim and so I can float. Yeah. Remember you made the face earlier?
Yeah.
Hey. Anna, can you be in my video? Oh,